What is going on, my YouTube family? In this video, I want to show you how online marketing paid for my 2-week vacation. As you can see here, I'm in beautiful South Beach, Miami in the One Hotel. I know it's not the best look right now because we just got up and we've got clothes strewn out over the floor. But nonetheless, I want to show you guys exactly how I've been able to travel for the past 2 weeks and not only pay for the vacation, but to be able to profit in the process. So for the past 2 weeks, I went from the PGA Championship in beautiful New York, Long Island, and then from there I went to South Carolina for a wedding, and then from there we went to South Beach. So we kind of started north and came south. And now what I want to do in this video is I want to show you exactly how you can start making money while you travel, where you can stop trading time for dollars, where you can stop just taking those couple vacations a year and not only work a couple hours a day and enjoy freedom, but to be able to travel and do what you want to do with the people that you want to do it with. We've even got this really cool patio here on the back deck that overlooks the pool. Check this out. So if you want to be able to live like this, maybe it's not, being able to go to fancy hotels. Maybe it's just to enjoy more quality time with your family, watch your kids grow up, give your parents more, give other people more, give your church more, donate to one of your favorite charities, whatever it is. I want to show you exactly how to leverage the power of the internet to travel, to give more, to do more, and to have more. So without further ado, let me show you some proof in my computer. Let's go ahead and dive into this and show you how you can get started today. So what I want to do is I want to start off this video by showing you guys my Facebook fan page, showing you guys that this is something that I've been doing for a long time, that I continue to do. I'm not one of those semi wannabe gurus that take a couple week vacation and have a full-time job and use all those photos, all that video footage to just post lifestyle stuff, showing people that I do this all the time. I want to show you that I actually practice what I preach, especially for those people that are brand new. I get a lot of haters in the comments section saying, Josh, it's easy to just show screenshots and everything. I want to see bank statements. I want to see proof. So I'm going to show you guys proof, 100% transparent proof in this video. So this isn't me trying to brag to you guys. This is me showing you guys that I'm actually in the freaking trenches doing this stuff. So I was at the PGA Championship a couple weeks ago. That's how I started off this vacation in Long Island, New York. And you can see here, I'm on number 1 watching Tiger Woods hit his ball out of the deep rough. This was a really cool video. If you guys want to go back, you guys can feel free to go to facebook.com/Joshua Elder Live. I'll put it in the description below. You can also type my name up here in the search bar and you can check this out. Like, we literally, right when we got to number 1, Tiger Woods was teeing off. And we walked down the pathway towards the green, and my dad said, stay here. Tiger Woods is going to hook it. And I was like, no way, that's not going to happen. What did he do? He hooked it right next to us, and we got this amazing footage of Tiger Woods. Pretty amazing experience. You guys might not be golf fans, but just imagine what you can do if you had options in life, right? So I went from there with my beautiful wife to South Carolina for a wedding. We spent about almost a week here in Charleston, South Carolina. We went to the wedding, which was on a beautiful plantation. I happened to be one of the groomsmen in the wedding. And during this, I was able to bring in, just on this particular day, May 25th, this is kind of cool. I uploaded it on at 11:11 a.m., $2,277 that came in. Right? Again, these are screenshots. I'm going to show you the real proof. I'm going to show you the bank statements, all that cool stuff. Right? And then we went to this cool little oyster bar, which was known as 167 Raw. Amazing people, amazing food. So if you go to Charleston, South Carolina, go to 167 Raw, one of the best seafood places I've ever been in my whole entire life. This is us at Follies Beach, and then us at the wedding, of course, in the bottom right-hand corner. And I even had another $1,000 come in while I was booking the flight and the hotel stay here in the one hotel in South Beach, Miami. So you can check out my journey in a little bit more detail on my Facebook fan page. Also, follow me on Instagram. I'll link up my Instagram in the description below. Show you kind of the behind the scenes of me building my business, of me traveling, all that cool stuff. So you can check that out there. So without further ado, what I want to do is I want to show you my credit card statements. Number one, how much money I've spent to, on this whole entire vacation, and how much money I've made while I've been on this vacation. So let's go ahead and let's log into my American Express account right here. And I'm going to go to charges from May 16th when I started the vacation to May 30th. We're going to select go, and give or take about $500 to $1,000 as a buffer, because I did book the flights at least for Long Island, New York in advance, which was an extra $600 or so. So let's go ahead and let's just round this up to $4,000, okay? But since the 16th, I've spent $3,338.78. And then if we go to my Capital One account, of course, I've got more than one credit card that I use. So let's go ahead and log into this account too as well. Let's go to my Quicksilver card, which is the one that I use the most. And if we filter, go ahead and let's filter by date. So custom dates from the 16th to the 30th of May. And you can see all these charges here, right? We can go down to the very bottom. What I did is I downloaded these as a CSV file, and you can see all the transactions right here. So this equates to about $2,843.48 in total. So if we add both of those up, the Amex statement and the Capital One statement, that's about $6,177.16. Add my flights on there for Long Island, add about $600-700. That's about $6,800-6,900, okay, that I've spent over the past couple weeks traveling. Now let's show you the profit that I've made while I've traveled. Let's show you how much money I've made during the course of the past 2 weeks. And this is due to passive income. This is due to having an online business that works while I sleep, having content, videos, having an email list that allows me to make passive income and leverage my efforts and leverage my business. So here's one of my merchant accounts right here. If we go back to the 16th, I'm actually going to go ahead and refresh this. And you can see from May 1st to May 30th, $17,000 this month. If we go from the 16th to the 30th, you're going to see 17,000. Hold on one second. It looks like it doesn't want to cooperate here. Here we go. $9,701.68. Now, last month during this time, I did $51,218, which is pretty dang cool. You're not going to have amazing months every single month. For pure transparency, I want to show you guys that. In an affiliate marketing business, I've consistently made over $10,000 per month over the past 4 years straight, almost 5 years straight. But I'll have months where I'll make $60,000, $70,000, and then $20,000, $30,000. It just depends. Sometimes I work more, sometimes I work less, but nonetheless, I'm still making passive income, and I work a couple hours a day. So this is just one single account, you guys. I also have other side income streams I make money from, like ClickFunnels, ClickMagick, autoresponder tools. And there's another video I'm going to post in the description below, which shows you in depth the business model that I've used and the marketing strategies that I've used to be able to make this type of income. So if you want me to dive deeper into that stuff, I'll post a video below that will show you that. But here's another example income stream. I sent out a couple emails over the past few days while I've been at the the pool over here, and almost $1,000 just from that as well. So I mean, you guys see the proof there. Let me actually show you my personal capital account too as well. The cool thing about this, I've shown this before. I would recommend that you get access to this. It's free. You can get access to it through your mobile phone, by typing in Personal Capital in the App Store, or you can just go to personalcapital.com. You can log in through your laptop or desktop computer, and you can actually add your usernames and passwords of your credit cards, your bank, your wealth management accounts, whatever it may be. You can have them all in one place so you can manage them. And then it actually shows you your cash flow. It shows you all cool things like how much money, how much income you've made in a specific month versus like another month. So you can see this month versus last month. So day 30 last month, $55,307. Day 30 this month, $30,942 that I've brought in. And then you can check out your cash flow here and then expenses here. So it's really cool. So you can gauge how much you're spending. You can gauge how much you're making on a monthly basis. And it just helps you find out where you're at and then how well your investments are doing, so on and so forth. So that's to show you guys that, like, look, these are all my, deposits that I've made into my bank account. Total almost 31,000. Let me show you my actual bank account though, right? So like this is the stuff that you guys have been waiting for. So you guys can see this is my checking account right here. Here's all my credits on the side. If I go down, 7,000 here, 6,000 here, 5,000 here, 2,000. These are all, you can't fake this. I can go back to my summary over here. You can check out my other checking account here, my business checking account. Again, more credits here. Some of these are transfers from one account to another. But you can see ClickBank deposit. This is a ClickFunnels deposit. This is a ClickFunnels deposit. This is another affiliate deposit right here of $3,525. So this is all legitimate. So you guys can see that this works. I'm getting paid out. I'm making money passively. I mean, I don't know how to be more transparent than what I'm being in this video. So you haters that are making excuses because you don't want to take action because somebody else put in your head that this isn't possible, I'm here to debunk that 100%. So talk now. Let me know in the comments. What else? What other ammunition do you have? I know there's always going to be something else. But for those of you guys that are ready, that really want to make change, that are ready to make a difference in your life, that are ready to stop making excuses and stop letting other people tell you what you can and can't do, this video is to inspire you. So if you want to get access to the same system that I've used, the same process that I've used to make passive income, to make money while I travel, to enjoy more time with my family, to really have peace of mind in my life and have control, check out the links in the description. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button below. Go ahead and like this video and tick that bell icon to receive more videos that will help you live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. This is Josh Elder signing off. We'll see you in the next video.